Hey everyone, my name is Brian and I'm the 3D print creator, and in this episode we are going to take a look at the repair of my Ortur Master laser engraver. It's a 15 watt laser engraver which I'm very happy with, but in my previous video you could see that when I was working with the machine and installing the Y-axis rotary roller, then all of a sudden I got strange problems and I couldn't help to fix the machine anymore. The thing was that on the y-axis the direction was only one way, so the stepper motor only drove one way and didn't work in the other direction anymore. So therefore I took out my oscilloscope and I measured the direction pin on the stepper driver, and then I could tell that it was only always at high. So yeah, it was clear to me that either the stepper driver or the STM32 processor that's on this board has been broken down, and it had to be repaired, of course. So then I took out this board and I contacted Ortur with the question if it was possible to get me a new board. And after explaining them what happened and how it happened, they just asked me my address and they sent me this new board. And the fun thing is that I didn't tell them that I'm a YouTuber or a reviewer or whatever. So in their eyes I was just a regular customer, and this is something that pleases me because this means that their service is very good. Now in this video I'm going to try and repair this. I'm going to take it to my workplace where I can try and do that, and let's take a look in how this goes. I received this package over here, and well, this is a new motherboard. Let me show it to you. A new motherboard for the Ortur Master machine. So this is the board that's going to replace the board that I have, so that I can hopefully use it again. Now I have to install this board on the machine, and well, let's see how that goes, because at this moment when I turn on the Ortur Master, then you will see it has a lot of problems with homing. It can't home the y-axis, and it's going crazy. So let's see what it does. Here you can see my Ortur Master laser engraver from the camera that's above. And here you can see the new board that I received, and I'm going to switch to another camera. This is the board that I received, and to be honest, I think this board is a little bit, well, let's say dirty. I don't really know what happened to it, but I think this is a board that passed repair, because well, it's a little bit smelly, and for example over here you can see that it's really dirty, and if I go with my finger over it, I'm just making the board clean again. So I don't know what happened, but yeah, it's not really good. And also when I smell the board, it smells as if something burned out. But let's not jump to a conclusion yet. We are going to replace the old board and well, see what the new board does. And I have to hold the now the plate comes off with the protective plastic rings and even more rings and pylons. So this is the board that I take off, and well, let's switch to the top camera here. This is the board that I'm going to replace, because this stepper driver, which is over here, this one burned out. Now everything is replaced, I installed a new board. I took out the old board, and the old board, well, that's the broken one. So let's take a look what happens if I turn on the Ortur Master 2, sorry, the Ortur Master laser engraver, and well, see what it does. I'm not going to plug it to my computer yet. I'm going to give you the top view of this laser engraver. Put in the power and there we go. And it homes and everything is fine again. Now I don't know if the firmware is already set for this machine, but as you can see, it now works fine again. So this is the repair of my laser engraver, my Ortur Master laser engraver. Now let's see if it really does what it should do.